morning, everyone. Today I am very happy and today I am really excited because today is the day too where I am making my daily blog in a freely and in openly because because when we want to learn English language, so that time we feel hesitation, we feel very awkward. Okay, how can I do practice? How can I learn English language? For that, only one solution: start speaking. So before this blog, when I was trying to speak in my own room, but now I am thinking, okay, this is not a good solution for me because just I am stuck in a room. But when I will come outside, when I will try to describe the nature, that time I will learn lot of things. Because for learning, you never feel shyness. Because shyness can kill you, your shyness can stop you from your success. But only one thing try in your life, just whatever about your work. Ask one question, okay, whatever I am doing this work, by that my society facing any problem? If yes, so stop this work. If you are going to travel in a problem, so stop this work. But when you are learning English language, it is not a problem for your society, it is not problem for your family, even it is not a problem for yourself. Only one thing people will say that this man are making videos, but you are not doing any kind of a problem where people don't feel shy from drinking wine, when people don't feel shy from cigarette, tobacco, and many more bad things. So why you need to feel shy when you are doing practice? Even maybe during your practice, maybe you will do mistake. You will make mistake, but it is not a big problem. But your consistency matter, your crazes matter. You have to come outside, you have to prove yourself. No, I can do it because it is my dream, it is my aim, it is my ambition to become a fluent speaker. For that, you have to do it, you have to practice a lot. So this is the best practice, and every single day you are in a out place. So right now today I am at Chilerbita, Zoleshwar Sumushti district, Gwalpara, and this is not so far from my home, but there you can see the work is going on geobag, and by this geobag government are trying to protect Brahmaputra river because every year lots of land is going to in the stomach of Brahmaputra river. But when you can see when they are doing work as like by geobag, and the lifetime of this bag 500 years. This bag will not destroy in water in 500 years. If it is permanent, it is for permanent. So really it is thankful for our government. Really by this work our government also try to protect us. Otherwise we also have to become homeless. We have to go another place. So you can see front of me people, they are working in early morning, and they will fill up the geo bag with sand, and after that you can see, after that they also stir the first part and top part of bag, and after that they also set. So really it is a very good work, and you can see labor, they are working and they are dividing their work. It is really good work. It is very really good appreciate. The legislative member of Legislative Assembly of our area, Aftabuddin Mullah. Under his work, under his leadership, this work is going on, and I hope by this work our area will be safe, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will protect us from this problem and from this Brahmaputra river. Really, due to Brahmaputra river, we become poor and we become homeless, landless. Now we don't have nothing for our survive life. I hope Allah will protect us from this problem by this work. So behind me you can see the work area, and their morning time people, they started their work in through the boat, and they are loading the geo bag, and after that they will fill up the bag with sand, and after that they will also give a geo bag as like. So you can see how heavily, how strongly they are going work and they are doing work. Really, it is very good job, and it is very appreciate work, and it is very huge work for our society, for our community, for our area, for our village. So morning time when I was doing practice as per my daily routine, so by walking I also reached, I have reached to the Brahmaputra river, and there I saw a very large size of ship. You can see behind me this ship is waiting and standing, and I don't know from where this ship have come and where it will go, because it is far from my dry place to river place, and I can't go there. If I ask means with manners, maybe they will be ready to give me apply, but due to far I can't go there, and as per my so you can see it is a very big size. Now it is start its journey, and slowly it is going. So you can see how big and how strong. So it is the power of human, and how they design this shape, and how it is going, and slowly it is going to forward. Because human can everything, man can everything, because what was impossible for as a thinking, but a human being, they also prove. So it is also motivation moment for us when we will try to learn something, when we will try to refine ourselves, when we try to improve ourselves. So that time nobody can't stop us, that time anybody can't stop our journey. So really, if you want to improve English language, if you want to learn English language, so start practice. Where you are, try to ask the vocab and sentence in English language, and try to ask what is the English of that, and how can I convey, how can I express this thought in my word, in my language. So when you will try, when you will practice as like, so that time you will see one day you are the good speaker, you are the best speaker. So for today, that is enough. Tomorrow we will come with a new blog, and please support me and continue watch this video. This video will give you craze and motivation how you can learn English language, how you can improve your English communication. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe our channel.